What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be installing spindles on the Mamalona. As you can see, we already started on the driver's side. We already took it off, and we're also gonna cut the spring a little bit.
See how much you cut off the spring one time?
Alright, you guys, so it's the next day, and sorry I didn't film much yesterday. There was some complications that we had to fix. I think the suspension on this one is the V6, not the V8. Just did like a V8 swap on it or whatever, and the discs were way smaller, and it didn't even light on the spindle. So what we had to do is we had to go to my brother's house and get the rotors from a parts truck that he has. Pretty much that's how it turned out. I hope you like it. It's coming out pretty good. It's coming along pretty good. We still got to put the C notch on the back, so stay tuned for that. That's probably gonna be Monday's video. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one.